everyone, and welcome back. Today I want to share with you all 5 of my top favorite Temu items. So you'd want to enter the code that you see on the screen into Temu's search bar for a $100 coupon bundle, and you'll find the link to shop in my description box for all of these items that I'm going to show you today. And we're going to kick it off with this rice dispenser. I absolutely love this. This is the large. It does come in large and small. I love that you can press this dial and it dispenses the rice. It keeps it in here. No insects, no pests can get in, and you simply measure out your rice and cook. If you take too much out, you can always replace it on the top. The next item is a vegetable slicer or a mandolin, and this comes with a couple attachments and a vegetable peeler and a couple more attachments where you can shred, and then with these you can chop. The next item is a salad spinner. I love a salad spinner because sometimes you're making salad and there's so much water in the salad and you really want to get that out. This works really well. Now next, this one is for a drain strainer. I've had them and I love them. Okay, so the last item I have here is this under the sink shelf. But all in all, these are my 5 top things from Temu that you can use in the kitchen. Now go to the second video where I'll show you my other favorite things from Temu. So you'd want to enter the code that you see on the screen into Temu's search bar for a $100 coupon bundle, and you'll find the link to shop in my description box. I'll see you in the next Temu video.